All right, time for a demo now. Here's your splash screen. This is where your event-related branding will be featured. Here are your features. You have session details, social media feed, speakers, networking, floor plans, info, and the works. You have sessions spread across multiple days. You can filter by experience level or different tracks, particularly useful for large events with lots and lots of sessions. Here you see the session details with who the speaker is, event details, and also a feedback form for the session, which is fully customizable. We have a social media feed that integrates your Twitter feed inside your application, so if your users decide to retweet you, they can do it from inside your app. Users can search for their favorite speakers, and once they find them, they can see the sessions they are speaking at and decide to bookmark them. You can find all the bookmark sessions in My Schedule. Coming on to an interesting feature, networking. You share a secret event code with your attendees, which they then enter and specify the kind of people they are looking to meet. In this case, our friend is looking to meet investors and folks in the medical space. You can search by keywords. Let's search, say, for people in medicine. You see a bunch of people, and we find someone interesting here. Let's see what John is about. You can see where John is working, where he's from, what school he went to, and other details about him. All right, seems interesting. So our friend decides to say, "Hi, John. I am the founder of a Meditech startup. Are you free for a quick chat?" John seems to be interested, so he says, "Catch you in 5 minutes. See you near Area 3. Also looks like they went to the same college. Moving on to the floor plan section here, you can access multiple floor plans and also find featured sponsors. Here you see your event location on a map. This is going to make it easier for your attendees to find you. Moving on to the info section here, you can create multiple pages. Here you see the sponsors page. This page tells you what you can do in the city and any other information you want to share. This is the feedback section that's fully under your control, where you take feedback about your event. And you figure the ROI of your event, what worked and what didn't work for your event. Coming on to the broadcast section. This section lets you broadcast real-time to your attendees, whether text or image, any last-minute changes. In this case, the event venue seems to have moved, so the organizer sends a quick message. And as soon as he presses the send button, everybody who is registered for the event gets the broadcast. There are a bunch of settings here, and that's basically it. We also have a web app that has most of the features of the native apps: sessions, floor plans, location, speaker details, and it's compatible across device families like desktops, mobile devices, and tablets. And sometimes for smaller events, it might just make sense to have a web application. Now, tying our whole platform together is our CMS, our content management system. What you see in front of you is our dashboard. Coming in next is the sessions page, where you can create new sessions or edit existing ones. You specify session details like name, place, speakers. The speakers are auto-populated. We have a really cool editor here that lets you specify the details in any format you want. Here you have an existing session. Here are the different types of sessions: the event partials, which are the levels, tracks, and types. And once you fill them, they get auto-populated while you create the sessions. This is the speakers page, where you create your speakers. You can search for existing ones, and it's pretty similar to sessions. This is the location section where you specify the latitude and longitude. The floor plans. You can specify sponsor details here too and upload multiple floor plans. Coming in next is the Pages section, which is the info section inside the app where you can create as many custom pages you want in the format of your choice. Here you see the sponsors page that's being created, and you have the same cool editor that lets you create pages in the format of your choice. The user section gives you the ability to give access to your team members. Our settings page basically has your Twitter details and other event-related information.